Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. As we know, Samsung's Galaxy A series has been the company's mid-range workhorse balancing premium touches, with sensible pricing. The upcoming Galaxy A57 is expected to build on that formula, refining design and performance while keeping the camera and battery experience competitive. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Galaxy A57 design evolution over reinvention. Don't expect a radical makeover. The Galaxy A56 already felt near flagship with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both sides, an aluminum frame, IP67 dust and water resistance, and a notably slim 7.4mm profile. The A57 will likely stay the course. One possible tweak is thickness, so the A57 could trim a fraction of a millimeter. Galaxy A57 performance. The Exynos 1680 is tipped to power the A57, with early benchmarks pointing to a major uplift in the X-Clips 550 GPU. Some sources even suggest graphics performance could be 2x than the Exynos 1580 in the A56. Galaxy A57 cameras. A sharper selfie, smarter rear choices still on the wish list. Camera specifics remain scarce, but a 50-megapixel front camera is rumored, mirroring Samsung's 2024 move on the Galaxy M55, F55, and C55. As for the back, the hope is that Samsung ditches the macro in favor of a true telephoto. Galaxy A57 display and battery. Core hardware is expected to carry over from the A56, a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel, with a 120Hz refresh rate, a 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts wired charging, and stereo speakers. Galaxy A57 OS software. Timing suggests the A57 will debut on Android 16, with One UI 8.5, the same software expected to arrive first on the Galaxy S26 line. On longevity, expect at least 6 major OS upgrades, and 6 years of security patches. Matching the flagship's 7-year pledge would be welcome. Galaxy A57 launch and pricing. The last 5 A series phones launched in March, so March 2026 is the safe bet for the A57's debut. Pricing remains unconfirmed, but history especially in key mark points to a modest increase generation over generation. Galaxy A57 Final Crush. The Galaxy A57 looks set to iterate where it matters. A sturdily premium build, a meaningful GPU jump for games and UI fluidity, mature display and battery specs, and long horizon updates. If Samsung sharpens the camera lineup ideally with a sensible zoom, the A57 could again define the mid-range value bar. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.